He's outside.
Get back.
I ain't got no guns, no shit on me. It's my son. Let me, yes. I love you so much.
It's not every day Flagler County deputies see a man fall through a ceiling. On May 26, 2025, deputies arrived at a home in Flagler County, Florida, to serve an outstanding misdemeanor warrant on a 37-year-old man. Investigators said the man tried to avoid arrest by hiding in the attic and even gave deputies a false name. Moments later, body camera video captured his feet breaking through the ceiling before he fell onto the front porch.
Let's go, boy.
I'm in here.
Come out now. Come out now.
I'm in here.
Come out.
Off, man.
Let me see your hands or you will get bit.
My hands is up. My hands is up. My hands is up.
Stand up.
I'm up.
Stand up.
I'm standing up. Look, I'm standing up, man.
Call towards me.
I'm standing up.
Call towards me with both of your hands. Yeah.
He fell through. Are you okay?
Yeah. You guys have him secure?
You got him. You got him. Bring him down. You need help?
I might. Hold on. Oh, man. Out of man. Towards me, buddy.
Hold on a second.
No, come on. This way. You the go, buddy. Yes.
He was about to get dragged out of the attic by the dog because we didn't want to call him.
We're not going inside.
Okay, but don't, you guys still should let me just, whatever else I'm saying.
I'm standing up. Look, I'm standing up.
What the hell?
He's right here.
I got him.
He's outside.
Pull him,
He's
partner.
outside.
Tariq!
They left earlier. Where did they go?
That, you got him?
No.
Dragged out of the attic by the dog
Ma'am,
because we didn't
stop.
want to call him.
We're not going inside.
Okay, but don't, you guys still should let me just, whatever else I'm saying, he's in there. Just, what the hell?
He's right here.
I got him.
He's outside. He's outside.
Tariq!
Get back. Man, get back.
He don't have no weapons tonight.
Get back. You're good. You just fell through your roof.
Oh my God!
Y'all got it, man.
Y'all got it. Y'all got it.
Ma'am, hey, get back. Get
We're
back.
right
Get
here,
back.
okay?
Get back. Get back.
Okay,
Get back.
stop.
Keep going.
We're back.
Keep going.
We're back.
Get
Oh my
back.
God!
Keep going. Keep going.
Tariq!
Get back.
Oh.
Oh, shit.
Damn! Who fix that?
That's on him. Keep going. Get back. Get back.
This is probably
Come on.
should hide in the attic and
Come on.
should come out.
Tariq!
I'm standing up. I'm standing up, man.
Get back.
Roll over on your belly. Onto your belly.
Y'all got it.
Onto
Y'all
your
got
belly.
it, man. Y'all got
Onto
it,
your
man.
belly.
Hey, man, y'all got it, man.
I know. Just roll to your belly.
Get back. Get back. Get back. Get back.
I'm on my belly,
Oh my
man.
God!
Keep going.
Thank you.
Tariq!
Get back.
Fell through the roof.
Oh, shit.
Damn! Who fix that?
That's on him.
Not us.
Well, I'm sure you are.
That shit just came out, man. That would have been easier.
Well, I didn't.
Hey,
You,
hey.
yeah, you.
Miss Michelle, can we go back?
Tariq.
Come on.
That shit just came out, man. That would have been easier.
Okay, look, you guys got him? Handcuffs? Do me a favor. Because I'm not aware of this shit, let me just hug my son, okay? I ain't got no guns, no shit on me. It's my son. Let me, yes! I love you so much. I love you so much. I'm sorry. I don't know what's going on, but I'm here for you. I promise. I promise. I love you. It's okay.
That shit just came out. We could have took a little bit of it yourself.
Don't be mean, guys.
I'm not.
Just do
That
it.
would be that anyways.
Yeah, you kind of did a little bit of it yourself, I think. I think we contributed a little bit.
Just do
That
it.
would be that anyways, man. My mom still trying to tell y'all, man. All y'all, bro. I just got out, bro. I just got out with this man. F you, cracker. Stop you mean. You, man. Straight up. You come someone I'm going back in. You crackers nasty anyway. Ass cracker. That's how I feel, man. F you. I'm gonna leave.
Okay.
Straight up. You shouldn't have said what you said then, ass cracker. Straight up. I just got this ass shit, man.
Let's walk to the
I'm
car
tired of
first.
going back to this ass shit, bro.
Don't be messy.
Let's go with it.
Nigga, your uncle talking nasty, man.
Oh my God. They gonna fuck it. Oh my God.
fucking 15 fucking years over some fuck ass shit. You keep fucking with me, bro.
I told his wife to leave, but I think she's parked on the corner.
Hey, where's your car? No, I don't give a about none of y'all,
Somebody,
bro.
we need a car.
God, I don't give a fuck about none of y'all, bro. Straight up, bro. Look at my mama, bro. Look at my mama. Look at my
Okay,
mama.
ma'am, just stay up here, please. This isn't making anything any better.
Please.
Man, look, please. They tight, bro. They tight.
Ma'am, stay back here, please. We're not going to do any good up there.
But don't be mean to him because this is a hard time. I know.
Hey,
I know you
if
guys
he
don't
acts like
care.
a gentleman, we'll act
You
like a
guys don't
gentleman.
care, but don't be like you don't even know the story.
Don't worry about
No,
it,
I
I know
don't.
who did it. I know who did it.
The man now faces additional charges, including resisting arrest and providing false information to deputies, on top of the original misdemeanor warrant. Authorities confirmed he was taken into custody after the incident, and no injuries were reported. No bond amount or bail decision was included in the information released. Want to watch more videos like this one? Click the one on the screen now.